Hello, how are you? I'm Tracy Jackson, also known as the spiritual cheerleader, and I wanted to come to you today to do a quick overview and review of the new deck by Alana Fairchild called Earth Warriors. Artwork is really pretty on these. It's my first time using them. Obviously, it's very influenced by indigenous cultures, and I love the artwork. I remember Alana saying she saw this person's artwork on Instagram, I think it was, and just fell in love with it, and then decided to do this collaboration with her. But the artwork is by Isabel Brina, and the actual description here is like amazing to me. It says a new world is being born. It is founded upon love and higher consciousness instead of fear, hate, and greed. This new world is gaining ground, becoming stronger, yet it also needs its protectors during this precious and important time of birth. Earth warriors are the guardians, guides, and wayshowers for the new world, inspiring its people to prosper and thrive in harmony with the wisdom of life. Defying convention and living from the heart, Earth Warriors urge the human race forward with enormous positive energy and a passionate desire for meaningful contribution and sacred purpose. Willing to shake things up for the right cause, the Earth Warriors bring truth out of darkness when others who trade in fear would wish to keep it hidden. Earth Warriors are the wise wild ones, cracking open mainstream consciousness with their loving awareness of freedom and grace. They are the bright lights, the holy hustlers, the creative visionaries, and the sacred guardians of the soul. Earth Warriors Oracle taps into universal tribal wisdom and pure spiritual guidance to empower your soul with courage and optimism to discover the Earth Warrior within and fulfill its sacred purpose. I love it. So these cards are they're absolutely gorgeous. Sorry, I have that coming up. My actual alarm was coming up real quick there. And they're just plain purple on the back, but purple is literally my favorite color, so I love it. How gorgeous is that? Oh my goodness, this artwork is amazing. And I'm actually getting ready to do a live video in my group for the first time with these cards, pulling these cards. Kind of like that. She does that with her cards, has some of them going a different way. I know some people that gets a little annoying, but I like it. It's kind of cool. These are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Black Panther. I am really excited. Love that movie. Look at this. How gorgeous. And it's a 44 card deck. Trying to get it to come into focus. Sorry. Beautiful. These are just gorgeous. Like absolutely gorgeous cards. I cannot wait to use these. I mean, even the actual guidebook was talking about things that I have been really speaking about and talking about. This is the cover artwork as well. Here, let's see how pretty that is. It's the last card. Beautiful is that. White Buffalo Woman. Love that. But I'm just like freaking out by how this so awesomely matches up to the things that have been happening for me and that I've been talking about. Like it says, politics has become a question of consciousness. I literally just did a live video with one of my spirit junkie soul sisters, Brenda Stevenson, earlier in February, at the beginning of February, maybe it was the end of January, talking about conscious politics. The Divine Feminine Speaks. That's something that I've been talking about. I have definitely been feeling a very big call to indigenous populations. So it's talking about claiming your indigenous roots to the Earth Mother. I cannot wait to actually go through and read the book. But like, I'm so super excited. Look at that. So excited for this one. I cannot wait to use it. I will come back on and do a part 2 after, pulling from it and, sharing, I guess, messages from it for the first time, just to kind of give you an overview of how I feel after using it. But this was the unboxing, and I wanted to show you all the unboxing and everything. I'm really, really excited about it. So I'm gonna go so I can get ready for my live and get this all situated and set up. I, am in the blessing process right now. So I've started it. I've touched all the cards. I'm about to do my little blessing on the cards and clean them and sage them and all that good stuff. So they'll be ready for the first pull in a couple of minutes. But I will talk to you guys later. And if you like this, feel free to like this video, subscribe to my content, share this video with others if you think that these cards might resonate with them, or if I might resonate with them. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.